He said I'm supposed to be checking for some in play. So let's see if we have any in play. Right there, looks like. It says to get a mechanic pick, but I don't have one. And I don't plan on breaking this joint off in there either. So I'd hate to get a screwdriver, but I'm supposed to be checking right in here. Let's see. Right in here. It says check to see if there's some play in there. Yep, there's some play in there. Yeah, that's cool. There it is. Looks good, guys. Okay, then he says to check a little air pressure. He says check with a little air pressure to see if it works.
If you have very little or no in-play, you have probably installed one too many friction or steel plates. If you have excessive play, like 1/8 of an inch or more, then you probably have left the plate out. If you have any doubts about how you stack the clutch, disassemble it and check it.
And you don't want to
The most
disassemble it.
critical aspect to look for is that the clutch pack is not too tight and can freewheel easy when the clutch is off. You can apply air pressure to this port with a blow gun and watch the low reverse clutch apply.
Yeah.
Put the pressure down to about 40 psi.
Yeah. Okay.
This concludes
Check the air
lesson
pressure.
2.
Check it with air pressure. All right, I'm gonna turn some air on and I'm gonna see if it works. And I'll get, well, it should work. If it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. All right then. Talk to y'all later.